This is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I will start several short videos to help beginner traders to learn everything related to the Metatrader platform. So let me start from the beginning. The first lesson is how to install Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5 platform. So the first step is to pick your brokerage company. When you do that, on the home page, you always have tools section where you can check and see where is the brokerage platform. Here in trading, we have HFM platform and we can go there. Here, what you need to do is to download the wished platform. For example, I plan to install HFM on my Windows computer. I will go to the Metatrader 4 trading platform, and here you will have a download file that you can use on your computer. Let me do that. I will download Metatrader 4 platform. When I press the button, I need to choose which platform with operating system I will use. So I can use a download for Windows, for Mac or Linux. I will choose download for Windows. And when I press this, as you can see, I will download the file. Here is the file. I will run this Windows file and installation will begin. First, I will press the next, and platform will be installed in just a minute. The most important thing while we're waiting to this platform install on this computer is that we will need username and password. So we need to create either the demo, either the live trading account. As you can see, the download is finished. Now I will run my platform. In this moment, automatically, Metatrader 4 platform is opened. Now you can see that we can either open the demo server, either the live server. The next step that you need to do, and a lot of beginner traders do not know that, is that you need to visit your brokerage company website, that you need to register to get the username and password for Metatrader 4 platform. So it's very important to know you need to register. When you have the link just below this video for HFM brokerage company and the special promotions to get some bonuses, or if you want to trade oil or gold or something special, you just have everything below this video. It's not important. The most important thing that you need to register, you need to register to individual trader, corporate trader, or joint trader. Here you will put your country, your email address, password, and you will be able to log in into your platform. Let me do that. Here I am. I'm just log in into my platform, and now I'm in traders area, and here I will choose to create a trading account. When I go to the trading account section, I can open live account or open demo account. What I will do, I will open a demo account because I don't want to have right now the live account I already have. So what I will do, I will choose demo, contest, premium, whatever you like. For example, I will use a demo 0 because if you're a high deposit trader and you want to have a low spread, actually no spread, only to pay commission, in that case, I recommend a demo 0. However, if you are not so trading that way, if you trade not very often swing trader, something like that, maybe the premium is better for you. I will choose the demo 0. I will get a leverage. You can choose here the leverage. I always choose the biggest leverage. I put the balance. I will put some password. This is my password. And now I will open account. Here I am. I have a trading account number, I have a server, I have a leverage. Now I will go to my Metatrader platform and I need to see what I have as a server. This is very important thing. My server is HF Markets demo server. So this can be live 1, live 2, live 4, live 5. So you need exactly to see. Here you can copy the server, but I will see it's a demo server. I will choose a demo server. Then go next. Now I will put my login and my password. My login, and I put my login and password. I press the finish. You see the waiting for update. Only when you have a username and password, your Metatrader platform will be set up. So as you can see, I have $100,000 demo account, and as you can see, I can use this for trading, for everything, and this is the whole story. So the most important thing here is that right now I can start trading, and installation, username, password, everything is finished. So if you're a beginner trader and you want to know how to open a Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5, the same process here is that for 2. This is the process. So you need to visit the brokerage account, you need to open, register, create username, password, download the platform, run, and this is the whole situation. So this is the one beginner video. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.